Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Joe and I hope you all are doing well. This is a series of videos which will help you to prepare for your Azure AI-102 certification. We will go through similar questions present in the exam and discuss in detail each and every options. A basic knowledge of Azure AI services will be helpful to better understand these questions. I took one training to prepare for the certification and it was incredibly helpful and got me through the exam. I would highly recommend this training and the link will be provided in the description. So now let's get into the video. Now let us see the question. You have an Azure subscription that contains an Azure AI Content Safety resource named CS1. You create a test image that contains a square. You submit this test image to CS1 by using the curl command and the following command line parameters. What should you expect as the output? Now the options 0, 0.0, 8 and 100. Let us break down the question. So the question is regarding Azure AI Content Safety resource and we are submitting an image to this resource. Now what will be the output we get? That is the question. So if we look at this command line parameters, we can see the image is given, then the category is violence and the output type we need is 8 severity levels. So first we have to understand what this 8 severity levels is. Let us go straight into the Microsoft documentation. Now Azure AI Content Safety service is to detect harmful content in text and images. Now the Content Safety service has 3 available APIs at the moment. First is text analysis for analyzing the text and finding harmful content. The next is image analysis API which will scan image for harmful content. Then there is text block list management API which will screen for terms present in the block list. Now these are the harm categories of content safety. Content safety recognizes 4 distinct categories of objectionable content. So these are the categories. First is hate, sexual, violence and self-harm. Classification can be multi-labeled. For example, when a text sample goes through the text moderation model, it could be classified as both sexual content and violence. So a text sample can be classified into multiple categories. We are passing an image and we have to find out whether it falls into violence category. That is what our question is. Now next is severity levels. Every harm category the service applies also comes with a severity level rating. The severity level is meant to indicate the severity of the consequences of showing the flagged content. So there is severity level for text as well as severity level for image. Now we are passing an image. So let us see what are the severity levels for image. The current version of the image model supports the trimmed version of the full 0 to 7 severity scale. The classifier only returns severity 0, 2, 4 and 6. So it will return only severities 0, 2, 4 and 6. Each 2 adjacent levels are mapped to a single level. So if the severity is 0 and 1, the classifier will return 0. If it is 2 to 3, it will return 2. If it is 4 to 5, it will return 4. And if it is 6 to 7, it will return 6. Now let us get back into the question. Now the image we are passing is a square. So it is a non-harmful image or it's a non-objectionable content. So what will be the output or what will be the severity level of the image? So the severity level is 0 because the image is harmless. So the output is 0. It is not 0.0. The severity scores are 0, 2, 4 and 6. So it is not 8. There is no severity score as 8 and it is not 100. So the correct answer is option A, 0, since the image is not harmful and the image is that of a square. The output will be 0. I'll provide the link of the documentation in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thank you.